Morning sir, my name is Mark Nico Quinto from section G2C. I will report this topic, the basic nomenclature of initial stability of a ship. The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms: GM, the metacentric height, which is the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. Ano siya mo siya ang GM. KG, the height of the center of the gravity from the keel. KG is na sa wala, dapit wala. Taas niya yang one. KM, the height of the metacenter from the keel. Na po daw ito, oh. Taas kaya siya po. KB, the height of the center of buoyancy from the keel. KB mo siya, KB. Ubos. GZ, the rating lever, which is the horizontal distance between the force of weight and volume. Nasa mandapitan ng GZ, GZ. Ang B, the center of buoyancy. Ang M, the metacenter. Ang G, the center of the gravity. Ang O, the angle of heel. Explanation: the metacentric height GM is measure of the ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. Stability of a ship. The stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. Force factors affecting stability: the shape of the hull, the draft, and the trim all affect the stability of a ship. That's all, sir. Thank you.